Good morning, and thank you for taking the time to watch the presentation of our project. Rodents are a problem we all know too well. They invade homes, warehouses, and businesses, causing damage, spreading disease. Nowadays, many persons are forced to rely on toxic poisons or outdated traps. That is what the market offers mainly. They are also often not physically present when a catch happens, whether at work or simply on vacation. That's exactly why we wanted to create something different, something smart, eco-friendly. Here it is, our smart Wi-Fi rodent trap. It's designed for small to medium-sized rodents and allows you to use and reuse non-poisonous baits, whether liquid or solid. An access ramp specifically designed to encourage entry. And a tube connector to reach infestations in elevated areas or tight spaces. We've also equipped it with two built-in sensors. The first detects the capture instantly. This gives you the option to release the animal safely without harm. The second sensor monitors eventually the level of the anti-putrefaction liquid. This gives you double control, both over the capture status and the liquid level. Every event is reported to you in real time, directly on your phone, by telegram, and our web app. Both the number of captures and the liquid level are also clearly shown on a low power front display. They're also highlighted by LED indicators, red for captures and blue for low liquid level. Through our dedicated web app, you can control the trap from anywhere. And with our official Telegram bot, you'll receive instant alerts the moment something happens. Now, let me show you exactly and quickly how the trap works. The advantages are clear. No poisons, no harmful chemicals, no risk to pets or people, cruelty-free mode, full control, and real-time notifications. Thank you once again for your attention and your time. We sincerely appreciate the opportunity to share our work with you. Goodbye.